right, good morning. That was a cold start of our BMW 335i. We're going to take you inside a little bit to show you some of what is going on inside this car. So we are at 20,389 miles as of this video. You see the little triangle there in the corner of the screen. We have a windshield washer fluid low warning light, so that's something that we will top off before final delivery. No issues of any kind elsewhere. Pretty straightforward with the interiors, not a whole lot of expensive options or anything like that. We have here, you can set the auto climate controls, and that pops up there with some of the adjustments. Otherwise you can set that yourself to your liking. We have the CD slot there. We have heated seats, 3 intensities for driver and passenger. We have the pop-out cup holders that come out nicely, no sticking or anything like that. Convertible top, we will of course have a separate video of the top operation there, and we have the radio there. Turn that down, but otherwise pretty simple, everything functional. Let's do the windows here. Automatic up and down, and then the rear quarter windows do not appear to be automatic up, but they are automatic down. And the automatic button here does all 4 windows at the same time. And then we have your mirror controls, side to side, up and down. The passenger side mirror is tucked in for close proximity parking here. But rest assured that that is also, actually I should be able to, yeah, you can still see that it is moving as I control it, so there you go. And then we have lights, which it's daylight out, so you're not going to be able to see that, but they are also up and running. And then, yeah, so convertible top, so no sunroof or anything like that. So that should just about do it for our cold start of the inline 6 of the 335i, and then some of the features that you will find yourself relying on. So hope that answers any potential questions. If not, feel free to drop a comment and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.